Hello everyone, I'm Andrew, and in this video I'm going to talk about the new minigames and the crafting updates in a more detailed way. So first of all, here's the new menu. You can see a new button, new minigames button, and by tapping on it you can open the minigame hub. On this page you can see the minigames that are currently available, your resources. Of course you can go back to the menu, or you can see your inventory. The inventory page is the page where you can see your resources as well as on the minigame hub, and you can craft cakes from the resources that you collected. Back to the minigames hub. Secondly, now 2 minigames are available, but I'm working on more, and those who follow me on Instagram, they saw a new minigame. It's not ready yet, but I'm working on it as fast as I can. So, try the first minigame. On this minigame button, you can see the title. This is the companion catcher. You can see the description. As the description said, you should try to catch the companion cube, and by catching the companion cube, you finish the minigame and you get those fruits. You can see, you can get eggs or sugar. It's not 100% that you will get loot after successfully finishing the minigame. An estimated time is 15 or 30 seconds. It depends on which difficulty you choose. If you choose medium, the time is more, so you get 30 seconds to catch this companion cube. And if you cannot catch, if you tap on a wrong object, it is going to be a game over, but you can start it again. And let's see the hard. Now you just only have 15 seconds to catch it. I tap on again wrong object. That was the first minigame. Let's see the second minigame. Its title is Pump It Up, and the description is to help GLaDOS pumping the water to the top of the tube to win in this minigame. If you can reach the top and you can success in this minigame, your loot is going to be a wheat and a milk. It's not 100% at this minigame too that you are going to get these resources after a successful mission. The time is 15 and 30 seconds too. Let's see the minigame. In this minigame you don't have medium and hard, you get easy and hard difficulty. Let's see the easy. So there are 2 buttons in here, and this is the tube. Also 30 seconds available here. You need to press these buttons to increase the water level in the tube, to reach the top of the tube before the time runs out. After that the time is over, you need to restart it and you need to start the minigame again. Of course, in the hard you have only just 1 button, and now you don't have 30 seconds to finish this minigame, you only have 15. As the time runs out, time is over and you need to start again the minigame. As I said in the beginning, I'm working with new minigames, new resources, and new craftable items, because now you have just, the only craftable item is the cake, which you can collect and you can craft it. You can try craft it now, but if you don't have enough ingredients, you can't craft it yet. These are the ingredients here. You need to collect these ingredients to craft the cake. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider to like or subscribe. More updates are on the way. Have a nice day.